Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm walking through the Dollar Tree's seasonal section and we are looking at the 4th of July stuff. So come on with me, guys. Now don't forget to stop at the Dollar Tree and pick up these items. We are going to be using this for Memorial Day, 4th of July, and even Labor Day. And they have some beautiful items here at the Dollar Tree. So before you head out somewhere else, stop there first because you won't be disappointed at the items that you're going to see here today. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to go ahead, leave you to a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.